what is happening now? The action words? I don't get it. Well, that's fine. Let's learn it together. Can you see a balloon there? Oh yes, I can. It flies high in the sky. Great! Let's start learning verbs with your sentence. It flies high in the sky. It, pronoun. Sky, noun. High, adjective. Fly, verb. Pronoun, the words which are used in place of a noun like he, she, it, they, I, you, we. Adjectives describe the noun, size, shape, color, or texture. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or anything. Verbs are the action words. Now we need to remember that a sentence is a complete idea and it contains adjective, noun, verb, and pronoun. Words like jump, ride, drive, sing, walk, read, cry, talk or chat. Work, watch, draw, paint, crawl, listen, open, laugh, think, like, swims, dream are some of the pronouns. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.